Oh, he left his cat open. You're on the screen. Yep. Come here. No, man, you left the cat open. It's
back up. Hey, you can record me. You can record whatever. You're not recording.
I can record inside that car too.
Back up. Back up.
Put your fucking hands on me, dude.
Don't be up in my car. Back up. Back up.
Put your fucking hands on me, dude.
Don't be up in my car.
I can record it. You left it open. You ever heard of the plain view doctrine?
Yeah, that don't apply to you. Back up.
It does too. It applies to everybody.
Back up. You can record me all you want. You're not recording in my car.
I just did.
Back up.
Wow, you turned into a tyrant real fucking quick.
Okay.
Most cops don't have a fucking problem with it. If they leave the cat open, they understand they left the cat open.
I need you in my car. Back up. I don't know what you're trying to find out anyway. I don't know what you're trying to find out. What you're trying to look for. I'm
not trying to look for nothing.
Obviously you are.
It's fucking plain view. Obviously if you left it open, I can record it. What's your fucking name and badge number?
1579.
All right.
Go ahead.
You're about to get a lot of fucking phone calls on you, tyrant.
All right, I'm a tyrant.
Yeah, you are, dude. You are. Put your fucking hands on me because I'm recording inside your car. I can record inside any fucking car out here. What the fuck are you going to do about it? What are you going to do? You going to arrest me? Because then I'll sue the fuck out of you.
What are you trying to do? What is the point of it? What are you trying to do? Explain to me.
Find out why she's on there.
Exactly. Nothing.
It is my business. It's my wife.
She called. I'm here because of what she called for, right? What are you trying? Like, what are you trying to do?
What are you trying to do by stopping me by recording it? You shouldn't have fucking left it open. I'm trying to teach you a fucking lesson.
Oh, wow, big lesson I learned.
Shut your fucking cat next time if you don't want people to see it. You want your you say it's secret information, right? It's top secret. Then why can't anybody fucking see it? It'd be different if somebody just walked by and looked in it, though, wouldn't it?
That's why.
Do what?
I don't want you in my car.
I'm not in your car.
You're looking in my car.
I was looking in your car. That's right.
For what?
And I can do that. I can do that. Exactly. It doesn't matter what.
No reason.
I have a reason.
All the way over there.
I do have a reason.
For what? Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
You can't be that dumb. How long you been a cop?
Don't worry about it.
How long you been a cop?
2 years. What do you want to know?
2 years?
What do you want to know?
2 years? And you don't know that if you leave that open, it can be recorded?
What do you want?
I want your sergeant here right now.
For what?
I want your sergeant here right now to file a complaint on you. I want your sergeant here now.
No. For what?
Will you call a sergeant?
What are you calling me? When I call
I want to file a complaint on him.
you can do that.
No, I want I can do it now too. Give me a sergeant here now.
You can request a sergeant. That doesn't mean they're going to respond and be straight up.
Request one. Please do your job.
Saying he wants to file a complaint, I told him I'll do my due diligence and request one. You could also call in and request a complaint, but do my due diligence. He was associated with the individual that called in the child complaint.
Don't ever put your fucking hands on somebody who ain't broke a law. It's not against the law to record inside that car.
I don't want you in my car.
Don't put your fucking hands on somebody who didn't.
I tell you to step away from my car, step away from my car.
It's not a lawful order.
It is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No. Am I being detained?
I'm telling you to stay away from my car.
Was I being detained? Do you have no reason to give me any order?
Okay. That's what you think.
It's public, dude. Same way I can walk over recording any one of them vehicles. As long as I don't fucking open that door, you can't do shit.
I don't know if you're going to open my car. So that's what.
Why the fuck would I do that? You're a stupid idiot.
Okay, I'm a stupid idiot.
Yeah, you are. Obviously, you're fucking ignorant. He obviously knows who I am. Referred to me as a First Amendment auditor Why would I open your fucking car door?
You can be an auditor, you can be a whatever the heck you want. That's great. Still don't want to use it.
You're about to find out who I am, because obviously you don't know.
Like, what do you want me to do? Like, what do you want from me?
You put your fucking hands on me, dude. Yeah, you put your fucking hands on me. I will be showing that to my attorney also. Yeah, good. You're great. You're great. Qualified immunity is a bitch, ain't it? Because y'all don't never pay for nothing, do you? The taxpayers do. Pussy fucking bitch.
Hurting my feelings now.
Put your hands on me again, you see what happens. Because I'm not being detained. You can't walk. You can't just walk up and fucking grab somebody. You can't just. No, I didn't. No, I sure the fuck didn't.
Recording since the get-go.
Because that's what I do. I've been recording them too, all since they've been here. Do what?
You put it on TikTok?
Nope. Don't worry about it where it's going.
YouTube, Facebook.
It's going to go in a lot of places. It's a lot of places. A lot of places. You're about to be famous.
Yeah, that's fine. I've always wanted to be famous.
No, in a good way. It's not good. So are you that dumb that you realize what you did was wrong?
Keep away from my car?
I would. Really? Was your car locked?
Yeah.
Why the fuck you worried about it?
Yeah.
I know, we're just all fucking criminals, aren't we?
I never said that. If you want
That's what you implied. That he's about to fucking do something. I don't know his intent, why he's fucking... You knew I was recording that fucking screen. And you knew that's all I was doing. You just wanted to be a fucking asshole.
Whatever you want to believe.
Fuck you, man.
Whatever you want to believe and say, go ahead. You do you, bro.
See, most people are scared of you fucking bitch asses. I ain't.
That's fine. You don't need to be scared of me.
Don't ever put your fucking hands on me again.
I don't need you to be scared of me.
I really hope your body cam's running.
Look, nice and red.
Good. Good, because it's going to be requested too. What's your name and badge number?
I'm Officer Lax, 4280.
Thank you. See, professional, asshole.
I gave him my badge number and my name.
He didn't walk up and fucking grab me either, did he? He walked over.
It's not his car.
It doesn't matter. Obviously, you don't know that somebody can look in your fucking car. Looking in someone's car is not illegal. Y'all fucking do it all the time. Believe me, you don't have special powers that's above me. You have to apply by the same bullshit I do. Oh, you don't? See, you're a smart ass. You're a dumbass smart ass. That's what you are. Walk up and grab somebody and fucking cut their wrist. Whatever's on you, fucking cut me, boy.
You want to zoom in my nails?
Maybe it was your fucking watch then. I don't know, but you see that?
An Apple Watch.
That just fucking happened, dude.
Okay.
I know, it just magically fucking appeared, didn't it? It wasn't from the same fucking area that you grabbed me.
I grabbed you on your left arm, or your right arm. So. How did your left arm get cut?
You didn't grab my right arm because my camera is in the right arm. You grabbed this arm. Video will show it, dude. See, Skylar, this is what I'm talking about. Good cops over there, good cop right here, a fucking tyrant piece of shit cop right here. Yeah, see, even she knows.